What's up, everybody? Sean Profera here, Sales Director of Wide Format for Mac Papers and Packaging. Checking back in with you again, and we're going to talk a little bit about ink types this time. There's several different ink types when it comes to wide format equipment for various different applications and whatnot. So let's talk a little bit real quick about solvent or eco-solvent ink. That's probably going to be one of your most popular ink types when it comes to producing graphics, especially outdoor. We're talking about very versatile inks that can print on a various amount of different materials. So just like the print that you see behind me, some of the key advantages to solvent ink versus other ink types is going to be that high color pop. We're looking at really a bunch of different types of ink configurations with various colors, from your standard CMYK to light colors like light cyan, light magenta, light black. We're talking greens, oranges, reds, metallics, white even. So there's a lot of advantages and a lot of versatility to this ink type. We're talking water resistant, we're talking scratch resistant, and very durable outdoors. So without any type of finishing or lamination, we're looking at about 3 years outdoors without any type of finishing to it. So for other key advantages, check back with us. Check back in for some more videos later about some different ink types. I'm Sean with Mac. I'll catch you later.